Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move all clips in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here you can see that I have different clips and I want to move them all together. So once you click with mouse, there is no option to select all. So how you can do that? You simply need to come here and click A on the keyboard, and here you can see two arrows. Click on here, and now you can see that all clips are selected, and now you can move them all by holding the left mouse cursor. As you can see that you can move all like this. So this is the process by which you can move all clips in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.